using the purple mesh pen blank. We're going to do it into a cylinder first and then shape it into a pen. This is already a paid order and I hope they like it once it's done. So let's begin. You can see we've practically got it into a cylinder. It's near enough even all the way around. So what I'm going to do is mark the centre and a few lines on it so that I can put some indents on, and that way I know it's even. Then what I'll do is I'll shape the actual pen or cylinder into a diamond painting pen that will be usable. So what they wanted was similar to the red and white one you've probably seen previous. We've got to mark the middle and then mark 2 lines either side of that, and then leave a bit of a gap and then mark another one, so that way we've got 2 little rings, well not rings but indents, sorry, and then a thicker one next to it. And then what I want to do is shape the ends into a pen. So here is the final piece, pen. It's been designed and shaped and now sanded and micro meshed to get the lovely shine. I need to put this end in and this end in. Please let me know in the comments below whether you like this shape or this blank. And I hope you enjoyed watching me turn this pen for a lovely customer. Thank you very much. Bye for now.